Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 9 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, let's see ano yung parating. What are the energies coming to you? Ganap sa inyo, Cancer, this week. What's coming to Cancer this week? Past life. Oh, so this is, maring meron kayong i-deal about your past. Oh, baka meron na naman dyang babalik from the past. Oo, pwedeng ganun, no? Energy from the past, you have to deal with that. Ex or a person, no? Pwede naman kasi hindi to romantic connection. Kaibigan na nagkaroon kayo ng falling out, hindi na kayo nag-uusap, or family member. This can also mean past life regression. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you will consult with someone na nagpe-perform ng past life regression para malaman nyo ang mga information about your past life. Ooh, you're going to shine, Cancer. So, meron kang mga talent, skill set na maipapakita sa mundo na kung saan people will admire you, will admire your work. Maaring mas mapapansin ka ngayon sa trabaho, or you are going to glow. Yes, emotional healing. Okay. So some of you will be healing from your past. So pwedeng merong person na may nagawang mali sa'yo, nagkasala sa'yo, na hihingi ng tawad, or kahit na hindi to humingi ng tawad, kahit hindi na to bumalik sa buhay mo. It's about you making peace with your past. Na alam mo na natuto ka na dun sa experience na yon, and you are now ready to move on. Kasi you are healing na. Let's see your overall energy for this week. Oh, 'di ba? The sun. Napakaliwanag ng buhay, parang Meralco. Oo, you are full of vitality. Very, alam mo yung feeling na para kang bata kasi energetic ka, ganon. So, you might experience this week. Going out with your loved ones, may celebration. This is also clarity, happiness. May kaliwanagan ka na sa yung mga iniisip. Let's see your possible challenge. You have the Emperor. So, as a challenge, maaring yung control ay medyo mahirapan ka. Control about yourself. Maaring may mga bagay na parang hinahayaan mo lang mangyari dahil ayaw mo nang ma-stress. But you are also being called to become responsible doon sa mga decision mo, doon sa mga goals mo. So, maaring sa ngayon, yes, you are healing, yes, you are happy, but saan ka na papunta? Ano na yung direction na tatahakin mo? So, this is the universe challenging you. What are your plans? Ano na yung mga plano mo? Oo. And some of you, meron kayong gustong gawin na pipigilan pa kayo. Parang nag-hesitate pa kayo. Whatever this is, you are in control of this. Tandaan mo na ikaw ang driver ng sarili mong sasakyan. Oo. Ikaw yung mag-gear towards the goals na gusto mong ma-achieve. Okay? Your opportunity is the Knight of Swords. So, this is about being ang tawag doon, masyadong, not actually aggressive, but persevering, no? Yung talagang may opportunity ka na maipagtanggol yung sarili mo, na maipaglaban yung mga gusto mo dahil matapang ka. Okay? So, I think isa ito sa ipaglalaban mo yung karapatan mo, yung kalayaan mo, yung pagiging totoo, yung pagiging ikaw. Oo. Minsan kasi ah, parang nasa-sensor tayo ng iba kasi natatakot tayo sa sasabihin nila or sa magiging impression nila sa atin. But for some of you, you're going to be true to yourself. Okay? Mas magiging open ka sa totoong nararamdaman at iniisip mo. So, your blessing is the Knight of Cups. This is an offer. An offer na magugustuhan mo. So, this can be offer for love, offer for career, a business, any opportunity. What is the Knight of Cups? Fourth house. Yung iba sa inyo, kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges with your loved ones, like within the family, may nag-away or may nagkasamaan ng loob, I think magkakaayos kayo. Oo. Maayos nyo yung problema, yung issue ninyo. And then, yung iba naman, kung kayo naghahanap ng bahay, I feel like mahanap nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo talaga sa isang bahay. Lalo na if you're planning to move out, no, and to live to another place na gustong-gusto mo. So, naghahanap ka ng perfect place for you. So, mahanap mo yan. Finally. Okay? So, let's see what else for Cancer. Okay, Lady. This can be your energy. A feminine energy. You have the Book. Oh, the book is about knowledge. So, yung iba sa inyo, I think may opportunity kayo na mag-aral, mag-research, madagdagan yung knowledge nyo, yung skills ninyo. So, pwedeng kayo ay I see someone na parang mag-open up sa isang tao. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with or someone who's close to you, para mag-open up siya ng totoo niyang nararamdaman or pwedeng mga bagay na pinagdadaanan niya sa buhay na hindi mo akalain na yun pala yung pinagdadaanan niya. Oo. Let's see, ano pa. Oh, Dog, which is a loyal friend. So, maaring meron kang friend na very loyal sa'yo, someone is very caring to you. And yung iba sa inyo rito, may marireceive kayong award dahil loyal kayo. So, pwedeng loyal to sa family, no? Loyal sa family can be yung reward na parang this can be parang material na bagay or rewarding within you, like parang emotionally rewarding, ganyan. Or let's say merong matagal ka na sa company na yan, let's say 15 years, 10 years, 20 years, so makaka-receive ka ng loyalty award. Okay? Let's see sa inyong money, career, finances for Cancer. Unforeseen, having a backup plan. O, magkakaroon kayo ng backup plan. Cancer, maaring meron kayong paghahandaan this week na yung parang you're going to save for it kasi you want na ready ka. Oo, pwedeng nagsisave ka ng panggastos mo para sa travel mo, yung mga unexpected. And also, there is a transformation in your finances. Mas maganda, no? Much better. Change is coming for a brand new you. Pagdating sa career, pwedeng bagong trabaho to, bagong business, that will bring change. Sa love life, optimistic. So, kung ikaw ay single, you are, parang okay lang sa'yo kahit single ka, masaya ka naman. Hindi ka nagmamadali or hindi ka talaga totally actively naghahanap ng romantic partner. You are happy and you know that the right person will come, no? kung talagang kinakaloob para sa'yo. And then some of you, if you are in a relationship, you are optimistic with the person that you are dealing with, no? And then final message: spread seeds of love and creativity and see them blossom. Wow. So maaring may sinisimulan ka ngayon na projects or related sa career, sa finances mo, na makikita mo yung magiging resulta niyan immediately, na para ka nagtatanim, no, nagpupunla. You will see them blossom. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.